Hi and welcome to the channel. We're already well acquainted with the comprehensive specifications of the new RedMagic 9 Pro, and now is an opportune moment to delve into the camera innovations. In terms of sensor quality, we're in for a subtle yet impactful upgrade. This time, the primary sensor boasts an impressive 50 megapixels with the added benefit of optical image stabilization, courtesy of the Samsung GN5. The wide-angle camera, on the other hand, undergoes a significant enhancement. Opting for the Samsung JN1 sensor, it clocks in at 50 megapixels, promising improved performance in capturing expansive scenes. Beyond the theoretical improvements in photo quality, the brand places a strong emphasis on a key selling point, the absence of protruding bumps. This not only contributes to a sleek and stylish device, but also marks a departure from conventional designs. With a protective glass surface and the elimination of a camera bump, the RedMagic 9 Pro not only exudes style, but also ensures a cleaner aesthetic, minimizing the risk of dust penetration around the camera modules. Because yes, the struggle with dust accumulation is a common concern, even with the previous RedMagic 8 Pro when encased. Personally, when I have my RedMagic 8 Pro protected by a case, the camera bumps go almost unnoticed. However, upon closer inspection of the camera sensors, it becomes apparent that dust has inevitably made its way into those areas. This is perfectly normal, considering the omnipresence of dust in everyday environments, be it in your pockets, at home, or on the streets. Over time, extended use of your phone naturally leads to the infiltration and buildup of dust in specific areas. It's an unavoidable consequence of the devices we use daily, and the RedMagic 9 Pro offers a solution to this problem. Handling dust around camera bumps can indeed be a challenge. In my case, in order to clean it, I employed an air duster, specialized cleaning wipes, and, as a final touch, a toothpick. This combination proved effective in eliminating even the most stubborn and deeply embedded dust particles, but it is time-consuming. As you can observe, when the dust solidifies, using the toothpick becomes a much more effective method for its removal. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you share the same passion for gaming phones and hardware, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.